Morning. Today topic is business model canvas. Mecho Autotech company. So it is one of the leading company. It is a Y Combinator goods. So the main purpose of main motto of Mecho Autotech providing the largest service in 24/7 to vehicle assistance in national highways. So any areas, they are ready to solving the mechanical problems in any one vehicles in any models. So maximum all over India, all over world, mostly these companies are available in 24-hour assistance. The customer segments: automotive, original equipments manufacturer, OEM, tier 1, tier 2 auto suppliers, factory operations seeking markets, industrial manufacturing, components.
Today we talk about automobiles. The automobiles are looking about many companies, Tesla, Toyota, RDCD. Like this, many companies are using automobiles. They using nowadays EVs also. There are many using. Then it works about plant and many cars are manufactured.
Automobile channels are the direct sales automotive. We are using the direct automotive sales into the tire supplies channels. That like we have more channels in that. Industry trading like it was on automotive expo and AI based on the channels also we have done in the process. Reference of manufacturing industries have more channels like that. Thank you.
The companies are automobile example like Zeta commercial vehicle. In the commercial vehicles are manufacturing, taping and molding the process, and the process are making to the molding to and glasses is mainly do like long time maintenance and performance to like the example like making the automobile surface glass and doors etc. And molding process is so sensor, the wheel sensor is moving to while moving the tire is rotating to the sensor is making. So the process is known as software system. Performance based on outcome is mainly it is worked based on the automatic and robotic system. Thank you.
These autonomizing and robotic technologies are basic involving developing sites which are helpful in many advanced manufacturing technologies in automobile industries. The facilities in the labs are the main focusing industries which are developing to install all the problems which has been developed nowadays. Main manufacturing industries are controlling and the full visions of the computer systems has been involved and developed by using these pilot development sites. There are many types of resources which are not mentioned here. The basic 5 tips has been mentioned. AI models place the main resources which the control systems of the all manufacturing and non-manufacturing lab techniques has been involved in these types of production. The key activities, these are some key activities. Developing robotics and control system. The main implementation of the automation system has been involved in major of the automobile industries. Providing installation and ongoing support whenever we got a repair or any problem. Installation and outgoing, ongoing supports will be capable using these techniques. Implementation and automation are main scope of the